Accounting Power After the Fact Write-Up. Well, I'm going to be showing you basically how you can use After the Fact Write-Up in Accounting Power to make your practice 30 to 40% more profitable. Also, just briefly, I want to show how powerful a traditional write-up is. It's made for quick heads-down entry. Dates can be changed without having to use the keyboard. Reference numbers automatically increment. Expense accounts automatically fill in based upon the payee. We give you convenient hashtag totals to verify that what you've entered is the correct amounts and correct number of transactions. But you can really increase your bottom line by using bank feeds. Bank feeds are basically just importing transactions, and in the case of Accounting Power, much more from client banks. This can dramatically reduce your data entry time, sometimes even 70 to 80%. The more transactions that you're importing, the more you reduce your data entry time. Obviously, this can help to reduce errors. Of course, some bookkeepers are very good at entering transactions and can do it very quickly. But no one can always do it correctly without having errors. And some people, like when I did write-up, errors come more frequently. It saves time and aggravation getting data from clients. Of course, some clients are very good at giving you information, whereas other clients, it's almost like pulling teeth to get their financial statements. Here, once they're set up, you don't have to go back to them to bother them. It makes it easy to give real-time advice to clients. Instead of waiting until doing write-up maybe at the end of the year and telling them, well, this is how you did last year, you can now, as you're doing it month by month, give advice on their financials in a real-time scenario. Speeds up bank reconciliations, and maybe most importantly, it reduces tax season crunch time because now you're able to spread out a lot of your write-up work more evenly through the year. So the first thing is, it's easy to invite your clients to use. You come to a screen, which we have, the client activity screen. You can see which clients you've registered for bank feeds. Select the ones who are not registered for bank feeds. Click on email and send a canned email out to your clients. Once your clients receive the email, they click on the link, and it's very easy for them to register. So once they're registered, then all that's really needed to be done is for you to import the transactions. Once the transactions are imported, we have a very powerful program to match the transactions to the vendors in the system. In this case, there were 32 transactions. It matched 28 of them to vendors who are existing, but of course there's always new vendors that customers can have. So if there is a new vendor, it's very easy to just add a new vendor on the fly. And then the next time that vendor is there ready, and it will work and match them. Something we have that is unique to our system is the ability to view the check image after an import. So in this case, there was a check number 112. You're doing the write-up. You don't know what it was for. You simply click on View Image. The check image automatically appears, and then you can finish the write-up. By the same token, we also have the ability to import and attach bank statements. So you simply import the statement, and then it's always there. Anytime you go back to that bank reconciliation, you can always see the bank statement that was for that period. And finally, we have tools to manage clients. In this case, I'm just showing the ones related to bookkeeping, and to bank feeds. So here you can come in, you can see which clients are registered. You can see if any clients have signed up accounts, but you haven't mapped them yet in your system. And you can also see all of your clients at one time and see the last import date for bank feeds.